Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to format this Samsung portable T7 Shield SSD to MS-DOS, means FAT. Okay. For this, first of all, we need to connect this SSD to your device. After connect this one, go to files. So here you can see the name of your SSD. Tap on this one. So here you can see all the content in your SSD. You can see here. These are the files in this SSD. So let me show you how to format this one. For this, tap and hold the name of this SSD. Tap on erase. So here you can see the option MS-DOS. Tap on this one and erase. Tap on erase. Now you can see this working. Yeah. Tap on the name of your SSD. You can say it is empty. So simply in this way you can format your Samsung portable T7 Shield SSD to MS-DOS. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.